On this episode, I'll show you how to create a fun, colorful Valentine card with a surprise inside. Cut a 7-inch by 10-inch piece of scarlet cardstock. Score cut the cardstock at 5 inches to create 5 by 7 folding card. Cut a 4-inch by 6-inch rectangle of the Cupid & Company double-sided red paper. Apply tape to the back of the rectangle and attach the rectangle to the front of the card. Using Lawn Fawn's heart stackables, die cut 4 hearts from petite print paper. Stack 3 hearts of the same size using the tape runner. Assemble one Judikins Poppy's pop lock and place it at inner fold of the card. There are detailed instructions how to assemble and use pop locks on the packaging. Cut a 3/4 inch by 4-inch piece of the Bella Boulevard Besties Collection black hearts paper, then attach the stacked hearts to it. Attach the assembled hearts to the pop lock, close the card, and press firmly to attach. I found a free vintage truck cartoon drawing online and printed it on blue cardstock. I printed 4 just in case I made a mistake. Assemble and attach a second pop lock to the front of the stacked hearts and attach the truck to that pop lock. I printed "I've got a truck full of hearts for you" on white cardstock, cut it to fit, and taped it to the card. For this and other creative projects, visit our website.